In this video I'm going to show you guys how to do reverse image search on Google. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So for Android you probably already have the Google app, but for iPhone, in order to make this to work, you have to download the Google app, and from there on what you want to do is click on this square with a dot in it on the search bar. This will open Google Lens, and click on the top right corner to open your gallery, and then click on all photos and select, for example, this Fortnite picture right here. So just click on it and it says looking for results, and as you can see here are the similar images, and you can click on this as well, and this will open everything up too. But you can also go back and search for the images you wanted to reverse search. So that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.